Hey everyone, do you want to sign out of WhatsApp your iPhone? Don't worry, I will show you an easy way to do it. Step 1, go to WhatsApp setting. Open WhatsApp and tap setting in the bottom right corner. Step 2, access your account. Tap account, then select delete my account. Step 3, enter your phone number. Enter your phone number in full international format including your country code. Step 4, complete the process. Tap delete my account and follow the on-screen instruction to continue. Final tip, WhatsApp does not have a direct sign out option on iPhone. Deleting your account is not the same as simply signing out. And that's it. Now you know about signing out of WhatsApp on your iPhone. Like, subscribe and share for more easy iPhone tips.